Do you want to learn how to get rid of that funky smell on your bath towels once and for all? Watch this video and find out how. Who doesn't love to take a nice shower and grab a clean, perfumed towel to dry their body? But after a few days of use, towels end up getting a funky, humid smell. You should never leave your towels in the bathroom after showering, as the humidity makes it harder for the towel to dry and facilitates the buildup of germs and dirt. Try leaving them in a dry, airy place, preferably in the sun, to make sure that your towels will be completely dry. This way, you can avoid the proliferation of fungi and bacteria that cause a bad smell. See now 3 recipes that can help you get rid of the bad smell in your towels. White vinegar and baking soda. This is one of the best alternatives to prevent your towels from smelling bad. It easily penetrates the fabric and eliminates all the dirt, mold, bacteria, and microorganisms that cause infections and bad smells. You will need 1 cup white vinegar, 1/2 cup baking soda, hot water. Put your towels in your washing machine and add hot water enough to cover them all. Then add the white vinegar and do a regular washing cycle. After that, put more hot water in the washing machine, add the baking soda, and finalize the washing cycle as usual. Your towels will be clean and odorless. Lemon juice. Because of the high citric concentration of lemons, it is an excellent whitener and disinfectant for all kinds of clothes. The acidic smell of this fruit will help you get rid of the bad smell of your towels. You will need 4 cups hot water, 1/2 cup lemon juice, freshly squeezed. Put the hot water in a bucket, add the lemon juice, and let your towels soak for 40 minutes. After this period, put the towels in your washing machine and do a regular washing cycle. Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends to help the channel. In addition to these tricks, to avoid the bad smell, mold, and bacteria, it is good to wash your towels regularly, at least once a week. Many people also have the habit of taking their towels from the clothesline and putting them directly in a drawer. Instead, try ironing your towels before putting them away, as the heat of the iron also helps eliminate bacteria, doubling the protection of your family. Keep a special place in your wardrobe for your towels. Knowing the right way of taking care of your towels will save you time from having to search for tricks to get rid of the funky smell, and will also be good for your health. Towels aren't like clothes and require more care, as they are constantly touching your skin. If you use the same towel for days and days, it's time for you to rethink this habit. As complete as your shower might be, you will hardly eliminate all the bacteria from your skin, and they may end up stuck in your towel. It is important to know how to get rid of the bad smell on your towels, but the main thing is to keep them always clean and disinfected. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.